Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're talking about the 2-for-1 special from Cashflow NFT. It expires tonight at midnight. We already have one group economic plan here at the SSN Nation where we have one NFT, but if we get our second NFT Ring of Fire business opportunity by midnight, we get one free. So the link is going to be down below in the description where you can actually see that link that's going to say cash flow $5,000 business opportunity. You can see that down below. You can click on that. You can put in a minimum of $250. We're going to talk about that shortly, but welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, please share the videos because you never know who you're going to be able to help. But most importantly, let's get on with this video because, again, there may be new people here and not understand that this is one of the best NFT projects. And again, do your own due diligence. Make sure you double check everything if you want to put money into this. But I'm going to play a short video for you. Lots of you may have seen this before, but some people may not have. So check this out. This is an explanation from Miracle Cash and More. They are the store. They are the company. The NFT receives profits from this company. The NFT is backed by this business organization. And you will see the benefits of this. This is for the United Kingdom where there are 1,488 NFTs and they have already sold 1,200 of them. There are a little under or around 200 NFTs still left. But today, unless they extend this promotion, if we have 2 NFTs, we already have one. If we have a second, that means 1 NFT comes free. We get 2 buy 2, get 1 free. And the group 1 and group 2 splits the profits 50-50. So just to keep it clear, that is what's going to happen. If they send a check for $10,000, then that means group 1 shares 5,000, group 2 shares 5,000. The percentage is based on our group economic plan. Whatever you put in, if you put in 500, that's 10%. So whatever the commission is, you receive 10% every month starting in March. If you put in 1,000, that's 20%. If you put in 2,500, that's 50%. And you'll always receive that percentage. So you can make payments different ways, whether it's with PayPal, that allows you to use debit, credit, or checking accounts, or if you're using Venmo. It's very, very simple, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get into this video, shall we? Check this out. Make sure you had your pen, pad, and paper ready.
If there was a way you could have partnered with Elon Musk before Tesla, before the Model S, before SpaceX, and before Elon became the world's richest man, would you at least have wanted to know how? If there was a way you could have partnered with Jeff Bezos when he was planning Amazon.com and it could have made you a fortune, would you at least have wanted to know about it? Well, what if there was a fintech company today that is about to capture major market share worldwide, where millions of people will be using its breakthrough technology and you could make an absolute fortune? Would you at least want to know about it? At the same time that we are experiencing record inflation, gas prices through the roof and headed towards a recession, the move towards crypto adoption worldwide is picking up pace, and the evidence is all around us. Big names and big money players are jumping in the game like crazy. The Staples Center, where the LA Lakers play, is now the Crypto.com Center. The Super Bowl, the most expensive commercial time on television, featured 6 cryptocurrency ads. Tom Brady, Matt Damon, LeBron James, and Larry David all made appearances in them. Facebook changed its name from Facebook to Meta. The rapper Eminem bought a Bored Ape, an NFT, for $450,000. Warren Buffett invested over $1 billion in a Brazilian crypto bank. Coinbase bought Bitcoin Turkey for $3.2 billion. You know what they say, success leaves clues. Whenever there is economic change in the marketplace, there are economic winners and there are economic losers. It just depends on what side of the equation you end up on. They also say that timing is everything. How would you like to get in on the next big thing? Are you ready for a miracle? How would you like to own a piece of Miracle Cash and More? The first to market brick and mortar crypto stores, crypto on the street, with stores in every major city all over the world. Unlike the faceless online competitors that have no phone number to call, no physical address, and no one to talk to, Miracle Cash and More stores are fully regulated, licensed, and our wallets are insured by Fireblocks. At Miracle Cash and More, we own our own cryptocurrency exchange. We own our own stablecoin. We own our own ATMs. We own our own merchant terminals. And guess what? We get paid on every single transaction. The secret, if you want to call it a secret, is to get involved before the whole world knows about it. Position yourself in front of the masses before the masses react. Here's the current offering. There are only 1,488 shares of the Master Franchise Agreement for all of the United Kingdom. Each share is projected to profit over $100,000 in year 1, $200,000 in year 2, $400,000 in year 3, and $900,000 in year 4. We have an exit strategy that projects a payout of over $10 million per share. And what does that cost to you? A one and done payment of just $5,000. And of course, you can buy as many shares as are still available. Now the question is, do you at least want to know how? I sincerely hope so, because the best is yet to come.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is it right here. You can see this is the promotion that they have going on right now. So, what do you think about that? Let me know in comments down below if you think this is going to be worthwhile for you. Buy 2, get 1 free. And if you want to buy them to yourself, you can use the Miracle Cash and More link down below. Or what about the buy 6, get 4 free? You can do that as well. That hasn't expired December 31st. These expire January 20th. If you see this video after January 20th, just keep in mind that the promotion could be extended, so double check. Also keep in mind that you can buy the NFTs still as long as they have them available in the UK, and the next NFTs are coming from different countries. There's going to be 3 countries that it's going to come from. So there's going to be other opportunities if you miss out on this. There's still 200 left. So don't worry about that. So all I'm saying is these are the opportunities, plus this opportunity here is even more important. 50% profit from 2 stores in North Cyprus. That's right. The stores right now, 1 store in North Cyprus is revenue-wise is making $20,000 per day, I believe is the number. So we don't know what the profits are, but if profits are just 30%, that would still be like $6,000 per day. And if you do that over the course of a month, that's $180,000. And you divide that, in our case, if it's in the UK, you do times that by 2, that could be 360,000. And then you say, what does that equate to? You divide that by 1,488, and that gives you a number. I don't know what that number is. I haven't done it. That's for you to do your homework, because that's what you have to do when you're going to actually put some money into something. You want to figure out your return on investment. Now, think of this. In the UK stores, you also receive 50%. So in this case, why it's so powerful is there's not only going to be one store in the UK or 2 stores, there's going to be several, 10, 15, 20 stores in the UK territory. And think if they go along the lines of Cyprus, all of a sudden we're talking about millions of dollars per month in profits, which means if we're talking about 50% of $1 million, so even if we go with $1 million on a conservative level, you divide that by 1,488. What is that just for the stores? This doesn't even include, as you saw, the ATM machines that you receive 50% of the transaction fees from that, not only from the exchange fees, not only from their other products, point of sale systems that you have in businesses where it's a merchant account. So therefore, transaction fees are shared with NFT holders. You start adding all these on top of each other. Now you can understand in 4 years, they have an exit strategy where they're going to sell the whole company. This could be worth billions of dollars as a company. Those billions of dollars could mean millions of dollars for each NFT holder. Again, this is all conjecture, and this is all going down, but we don't really know what the value will be 3-4 years from now. A 5-year exit strategy or less, I'm here for it. So hopefully you'll join me and the rest of the people who's already in on the SSN Nation on number 1 NFT. And I know I'm going to be part of number 2 NFT as well. So I'm going to be getting a piece from each one because I'm putting, of course, my money into it. There's no freebies for anybody. So that's how it works, ladies and gentlemen. Now, there's one last thing that I should mention. Use the Miracle Cash and More link down below if you want to buy the $5,000 NFT. Use that link if you want to become a free affiliate as well with Cashflow NFT. Use that same link for Miracle Cash and More. And by doing that, if you sell the NFTs to somebody else, they buy it using your link, you receive 10% commission, $500 commission from Cashflow NFT. Do that 10 times. You would have then put in or received $5,000. But there's more to the story that I'm about to show you here because they have a global star program. And if you actually do 10 sales, you get 1 share. This does not expire January 20th. This is ongoing. You sell 10 NFTs, you receive 1 share. A share, as you can see, they estimated at 2,500 to 3,000. That's the global share pool. I don't know what it'll be, but that's what they're saying it possibly could be. Now, how do you get 3 shares and end up being a 2-star? Well, that entails a little networking. If you sell 10 shares and one of those people also does 10 shares, well, then that's how you become a 2-star. And then I don't know the actual how you get 10, 25, and 50, but nonetheless, that's how it all starts. And there's a way you can do that. Or, you can, here you go right here. I didn't realize I had it. You sell 10 NFTs, but 2-star, you have to have developed 3 in your team to become 1-stars, not one person. Oh my, 3 people has to sell 10 NFTs. Well, that's a little more challenging. And develop those 3 in your team to become 2-stars, which means they would have to find 3 people that sells 10 NFTs. If you want to go that route, that could be very, very lucrative because if somebody sells NFTs that you sponsored, you also receive, I believe, 5% of the NFT sale price. Now, remember, the France NFTs are $10,000. The NFTs for upcoming countries could cost more. So you want to get in now before this expands, because if this company all of a sudden starts having 3 stores, which they do, 8 stores, 10 stores, 15 stores, when they get to those numbers, And people can actually see, wait a minute, these guys are making millions of dollars per store. Never mind, how much are they making at the point of sale? How much are they making with those ATM machines? Let's just say a few more million per month. All of a sudden, the evaluation for the company goes up. This is why you want to get in early and often. But then again, it's always a risk when it comes to business. They are licensed and regulated, meaning Miracle Cash and more are only going to be in jurisdictions licensed and regulated so they can operate. They're not going to be in the United States because the United States hasn't made up their crypto laws. They want to leave it out. So it's sketchy. So a lot more people don't invest in crypto. They want to make sure their banking institutions, their financial institutions already have a way to capitalize in the gold rush if crypto does blow up like everyone anticipating. But you now have a way to get in. There's no excuses. Again, if you want to join us with the Cashflow NFT business opportunity with our group, I'm going to show you this right now. Here's what it looks like. You go to the shop. Once you go to the shop over here, then you will see our first one that we completed. Here's the second one. We have someone that put in 500, so we need 4,500. If we have this by June 20th at midnight, and this says $5,000, this means we're going to have the group from 1 and group 2 getting a third NFT for free and splitting the profits 50-50. When the commissions come in, 50% of that commission is going to go to group 1, 50% goes to 2, and your percentage within your group is what you're going to receive. So an example, $10,000, you put in $1,000. That free NFT, they send something out that's, let's say it's $10,000 for the NFT, but we split it. That means $5,000. If you put in $1,000 as your contribution, that's 20%. So $5,000 of 20% is $1,000. Those who put in 500, that's 10%. You would receive a check for $100. Those that put in 250, that's 5%. So you would have a check for $50. Something along those lines, so you get an idea of how it works. If you put in 2,500, then that means you receive 50% of the NFT. So if it was 5,000, you're going to get 2,500 that month. Remember, commissions come monthly, starting in March for this NFT. So with all that said, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you're excited. If you want to become a billionaire or millionaire or thousandaire, these are the things that you do. You make investments of some sort into businesses, into people, into stocks, into something, homes, real estate, something that's going to generate a return on your investment. So that's all I can say about that. And we're going to wrap this up. Make sure you share the videos. Make sure you like the video. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And that's why we try to make it a little bit easier for you here in the SSN Nation. All right. Watch our live streams Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, because then you can ask me any questions. You can also ask any questions down in the comments section. I'll get back in touch with you. So you can also send me an email at support@stopstrugglingnow, or support@stopstrugglingnow, not support at Eric, support@stopstrugglingnow, or Eric@stopstrugglingnow. Either way, it will come to me, ERIC. So again, if you have any questions, please ask them. If you want to get into this and don't understand something, please make sure you understand it. And if you want to get involved, make sure you understand your money is locked up. There's no way, there's no withdrawal. It's not liquid. In order to buy the NFT, you've already given those funds out. You can't sit there and say, hey, I want to withdraw. You can only receive the commission. Now, if you want out of your piece, I can always put it out there. You can put it out there and say, hey, if somebody wants to get in and take care of my piece, you can. Then you will stop receiving the commissions and you won't be in on the exit strategy in 4 to 5 years. So hopefully that helps you out. If anybody, again, have any questions, just ask. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.